Close your eyes. Imagine a time when the night sky was not merely a background to our lives, but a central part of it. Imagine a time when the stars were not just faraway lights in the sky, but friends, guides, and symbols of a deeper understanding. A time when humans lived in rhythm with the cycles of the moon and stars, when every phase of the night was a time for reflection, for wonder, for connection to something greater than ourselves. For thousands of years, our ancestors turned to the stars not only to tell time, but to understand life itself. From the pyramids of Giza to the ancient observatories of the Mayans, the stars were woven into the fabric of human culture. The Greeks laid the foundation of modern astronomy by observing the night sky, naming constellations, and charting the stars. The indigenous peoples of North America, the Aborigines of Australia, and the peoples of the Pacific Islands all used the stars as their guides across vast distances, trusting them for navigation and survival. The night sky, with its infinite depths, was a source of wonder, a connection to the cosmos and a way to reflect on the mysteries of life. To look up at the Milky Way, to see constellations rising and setting, was to feel the pulse of life itself and to understand, even if only for a moment, our place in the vast, endless universe. But this connection, this ancient bond with the stars, is slipping away. As cities grow, as technology advances, we have traded the beauty of the night sky for the artificial glow of streetlights, billboards, and neon signs. What was once a source of wonder and guidance has become a forgotten relic of the past. Today, more than 80% of the world's population lives under skies polluted by artificial light, and for many, the stars are now nothing more than distant memories. Imagine, for a moment, a child born into this world. They grow up in a city where the stars are nothing but faint whispers in the night sky. They never learn to navigate by the stars, never gaze upon the Milky Way and marvel at its vastness. For them, the night is not a time of reflection and peace, but a time of constant noise, light, and distraction. They are growing up without one of the most ancient connections humankind has ever known. This is the reality of light pollution. Our cities, designed to be safe and vibrant, have instead become places of light overload. Research shows that this constant exposure to artificial light at night has significant health impacts. People living under light-polluted skies experience disrupted sleep patterns, decreased melatonin production, and increased risks for chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and cancer. The human body, built to thrive under the natural cycle of day and night, is now fighting a constant battle against the chaos we have created. Our bodies, like all life on Earth, are wired to follow the rhythms of the natural world. When we are exposed to artificial light at night, our internal clocks are thrown off, leading to poor sleep, anxiety, and even depression. It's no coincidence that mental health problems are rising in parallel with the expansion of light pollution. We are living in a constant state of alertness, unable to fully rest, to fully heal. And it's not just us. The natural world suffers, too. Migratory birds that once used the stars to navigate across continents are now confused by the glow of city lights. Disoriented, they crash into buildings, killing millions every year. These birds are not the only creatures affected. Countless species of insects, mammals, and plants are disrupted by the overpowering artificial light. For many species, the rhythms of life are governed by the rise and fall of the sun and the moon, the pull of the stars. But now, these creatures are being driven off course by the lights we have brought into the world. Consider the baby sea turtles that hatch on beaches and Instead of heading toward the dark horizon where the moonlight guides them to the ocean, they are drawn toward artificial lights on the shore. These tiny creatures, whose instincts have evolved over millions of years, now face the danger of being led astray, often meeting their deaths because of the very lights that humans have introduced into their environment. But there is a way forward. Around the world, communities are waking up to the importance of preserving the night sky. In places like the Dark Sky Reserves, where artificial light is carefully managed, the stars are once again allowed to shine. In these spaces, the natural cycles of light and dark are preserved, and the world is reminded of the beauty and wonder of the heavens. Dark sky initiatives are spreading. From small villages to large cities, people are starting to turn off unnecessary lights and embrace more responsible, sustainable lighting practices. This movement is not just about preserving beauty. It's about restoring balance, about reconnecting to something that is essential to our health and well-being. It's about reclaiming our right to a natural night, where the stars still shine brightly, where the rhythm of life can return to its natural order. It starts with small, everyday actions, turning off lights when they're not needed, retrofitting streetlights with shields that keep light from spilling into the sky, advocating for policies that protect dark skies in our communities. Imagine a world where children grow up seeing the stars not just in books, but in the sky, where families can gather under the heavens, marveling at the wonders of the universe. A world where communities come together to protect the beauty of the night and to share in the timeless joy of stargazing. This world is not just a dream. It is a future within our reach. Now is the time for change. We have the power to make a difference. We can restore the night. We can protect the stars. It begins with us. Each of us taking responsibility for the way we light our world, for the way we live in harmony with nature. We have the opportunity to protect our health, our wildlife, and the very essence of the natural world. It's not just about preserving the stars for us. It's about preserving them for future generations. Will you be a part of this change? Will you join us in protecting the night sky? The stars are waiting to shine again. Together, we can make sure that future generations will look up at a sky filled with light, with hope, and with the timeless wonder that has connected us all for millennia to the universe above.